What's up guys, I'm Turkey here, welcome back to another video, here again with Cameron, Huge Burps 10. Now, if you can see a difference in the quality, it's because I'm using my phone this time. I can't find my card reader for my camera, so we can't do it.
I'm keeping it. Right, no, not literally. Right,
Okay,
let's do this
are you ready?
Yes, ready. Start pulling some back. Okay, don't worry. There's still stuff like there, so we're coming from there. I'll still pull my back though.
What was that noise?
Okay, right. Okay, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, that didn't work.
Also, we filmed the video earlier, it was really good, but unfortunately there was no sound.
The door's open.
Oh well.
Right.
Oh, that stinks.
Can't do this right.
Come on, come on.
Oh.
It smells so bad.
Oh. Right, I'll pull my back.
I'm here.
PS1 remote, and then the old PlayStation 4 camera, and my new iPhone 3. 4S, I think.
Is that full?
I nearly threw up.
Cagada.
That's not bad. Trying to do a really big one. Ready? Oh, I think I'll do one more. Try and get a really
Yes,
ready?
get the power. Oh my god, what the hell?
Oh.
Okay, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to drop a like as usual. Oh my god. And sorry for not uploading very often recently. We can't always upload. Anyway.
Yeah.
See you later.